It's a great day to be a girl named Desiree, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I am Desiree Chanel. I know you guys are wondering what the hell is going on with my hair. This was a 3-strand twist out, and this is how I preserve it. So don't worry about my little puff balls, just worry about the eyebrows, okay? So I'm gonna make this super quick and short. Today we are doing an eyebrows tutorial. So this is for all my girls who have uneven arches. My eyebrows never, ever, 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 ever come out 100% looking alike, and it's one of two factors. So the first one is I have uneven arches. I got a really bad wax like years and years ago, and then ever since then my eyebrows just didn't really grow in the same anymore. And then also the tails of my eyebrows just don't grow. So it's a genetic thing. My mother has it, my older sister have it, and I have it, where literally on the ends of the eyebrows towards the top, hair just does not grow. So I have very thick eyebrows in the front, and then they're pretty sparse on the end. And then when I do go get my eyebrows threaded, I tell them to mimic my arches as best as possible. So that does leave the ends of my eyebrows a little bit thin, but I don't really worry about it because I usually fill my eyebrows in anyway. So I just wanted to bring you guys a few disclaimers. I am aware that my arches and things are not 100% the same. It is what it is. I am not perfect, so I don't expect my eyebrows to be perfect. I do them as best as I can, and for the most part, they do look pretty good. They do look pretty symmetrical, and I'm happy with it. So if you ain't happy with it, don't even watch this video. Okay. Now, so I'm trying to think, what else? It does take me a little while longer to do my eyebrows, just simply because, one, like I said, my arches don't match. I don't grow hair on the ends, and then the hair amount for both eyebrows is different. So my right eyebrow usually comes out a little bit more better because I have more hair towards the end, versus my left eyebrow because I don't really have as much hair. And I'm also due for a eyebrow threading. So this was done on eyebrows that needed to be done, that needed to be threaded. But I still wanted to show you guys because I get a lot of DMs on Instagram asking me, how do I do my eyebrows? So this is how. I want to thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about me. And of course, girl, you already know, hit that little bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. All right, so we are starting off with bare eyebrows. As you guys can see, this is my left eyebrow. No hair really grows right there. And then when we go over to my right eyebrow, you see I have a little bit more hair on the ends. To go ahead and fill our eyebrows in, I'm going to be using two different spoolies, one a little bit more expensive and one cheap one, to go ahead and smooth the product through. I'm also going to be using my Benefit Brow in the color 5. And I'm also going to be using two flat rounded in brushes, one to go ahead and smooth the concealer and things through, and then one to go ahead and actually carve the brows out. I will be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fine. Also my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 350. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so it may look like I'm using a lot of product. It's just because the brow is kind of dry, so I do have to wet my brush and then dip a little bit more than usual, and then go ahead and start carving out my brows.